Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what is up? So today I have a tiny hands challenge. So if you don't know what tiny hands challenge is, it's basically just a challenge when you use these little hands to do whatever it is that you like. Whether that be you want to eat with these little hands, you want to drive with these little hands, but you actually, don't drive. Don't drive with these little hands. But what I'm doing, and what a lot of people have been doing, is trying to do their makeup with these tiny little hands. So I decided that I want to do that because it sounds easy, but I feel like it's actually going to be pretty hard. So I'm not going to go super crazy and try to do like a night look with these little hands, but I'm going to do my everyday makeup that I've been wearing to work lately. So it's kind of simple, so it should be fine. And I'm really itchy. These are actually really good for little spots that you're kind of itchy. But before we get more Ronaldo, really, right now. Before we continue, I just want to say, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you like beauty videos, plus size fashion videos, random little videos like this, then you need to subscribe, and let's just continue. So first, we're going to prime our face, and I'm using this little primer right here. So we're just gonna that's the new way of doing it. Just rubbing it between the hands, and I'm just, ooh. It actually kind of feels nice. Just gonna put this all over my face. For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Vanilla. So again, I'm just gonna, I'm really trying here. I put some foundation in the Beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bounce this all over my face. This part actually isn't as hard as I thought it would be. Am I jinxing myself? I feel like it's getting harder now. This thing of having this to stay in place is kind of hard. Time for the concealer. This is the MAC concealer, and is this cheating? I mean, technically, I didn't use my hands. Oh my gosh, this is kind of hard. Back with the Beauty blender. I'm using the little butt to blend out my chin, my mouth, my nose, and my forehead. Now I'm gonna use this side to blend out underneath my eyes. I just don't want to poke my eye. This is kind of scary. The hard thing is, I got this like nose where it's really defined right there. It's really hard to get to blend right there when you have these little hands. Honestly, right now I don't know exactly what was recorded, but I put powder all over my face. Moving on to my favorite part, which is bronzer. So I'm using this here. This little cutie right here, the Pretty Vulgar Bronzer B. Also with this beautiful big bronzer brush. This is literally my favorite bronzer brush right now. It just gets the job done pretty quickly. Let me show you. Teamwork. You gotta move your head. You got I don't know how to move it. It's not gonna be the best, but it's gonna do. Not too bad, but let's move on with the nose contour. So it's kind of hard. I like put the thing in between the fingers, and this is gonna be a strong nose contour today. We definitely want to know people know that we got plastic surgery. Moving on to the blush, I'm using this blush from Patrick Store. So it's pretty and pinky purple. I'm using a Morphe brush. So I'm just putting that. Just putting some pretty blush on my cheeks. I have so much makeup on this sweater already. I can tell you that much. Time for the highlights. I'm using this MAC Show Gold highlighter. It is literally one of like my favorite highlighters right now. It's just super pink and pretty. And I'm using this small little like MAC stippling brush in a way. It's really good for highlighting. Just gonna highlight my face. You see how pretty that is? You got that natural glow up in here, honey boo boo. Some on the nose. Time for the brows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my brows first because they need to because they need to be on fleek. I'm gonna use this brow benefit marker thingy-majiggy to do my brows. I'm not in the mood to make them look super fleekish. You in a hurry, just use this because it's gonna get the job done a little faster depending on the look you want to do. This is not helping. It's not going as fast as I would like it to go. You know, tiny hands mean, you know, longer time to do things, so there's that. I always struggle with like the inner part of my brow. I usually make it too square like, but I feel like I have no control over that. It's just what it wants to be. It wants to be a chola. That's what it is. Yeah, I mean, my eyebrows are never even without tiny little hands. So, I mean, maybe if I blend them, they'll look better. Yeah, no, there's no going back from this. Time for the mascara. I could not find my eyelash curler, so we're doing this without curling my lashes. Oh my gosh. I already got some of that black mascara on my eyelid a little bit. Let me see, am I going to be able to do my lower lashes? Okay, I think I have a good grip right now. This is really helping. We're almost done. All I need is my lips. So I'm using a lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner. This is from NYX. I'm gonna use this to line my lips. It's kind of hard to talk when you turn to your lips. The lipstick is one from MAC. It is in the color Try Again. And I'm just gonna put this all over. Well, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video because, oh my gosh, you guys, this was actually kind of hard to film. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, but it was kind of hard. Not only that, but right now my fingers are going numb and they're turning purple, so I should really wrap this up. And I'm exaggerating a little bit, but no, I'm not really. Like, they're actually turning purple. So, but it was still kind of fun. It was interesting. I would wear this look out. It's just, you know, my eyebrows really need some work. But other than that, I'm not too mad about it. So, little fingers, you did so good. You did so good, so good. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know what other challenge should I do with these little tiny little hands. Or in general, what challenge should I do? What do you guys want me to do? Comment down below. You guys know that I love to interact with you guys. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all the good stuff, so make sure to do that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.